My shipment has arrived, and what is it? Well, it's basically this stuff, and I buy it all the time, but unfortunately it seemed to have run out at Lowe's. It's like a hit or miss, so it's like a carpet in a sense. So this time I bought it on Amazon. There it is up there. So you can lay it out as a carpet. It usually comes in a tray. I'm just looking for something to cut it with. Of course, I don't have anything because this video is just like on the move in a sense. We'll try this. Yes. There we go. Not scripted at all. Oh, okay. Now, with Home Depot, with Lowe's, it's usually a little bit bigger, I would say. Maybe it is this size. No, I think the width is just maybe an inch or two more. Not bad though, considering it took a little bit of time to come. Yeah, I'm gonna definitely water this guy now, of course, and yeah, let's do that right now. Let's move it out of this.